The brand new GW-9500, the latest Casio G-Shock Mudman, is a crazy powerful storm in a sleek case. It is tougher than ever and can take anything you throw at it. It has all G-Shock features, and it is smaller than any of the Mudmans till date. For anyone who works outdoors, has to brave the elements, or face extreme weather conditions, the GW-9500 is the perfect companion to keep the time, and to help in many ways at all times. One of the distinctive features of the GW-9500 is the dual-layer LCD. This is the very first G-Shock which has a negative LCD with a dual-layer construction. As you already may know, the Mudman is the G-Shock which is able to withstand the harshest conditions, including extreme mud, water, and weather conditions. Even among the G-Shock Mudman watches, the new GW-9500 is a real toughie, with upgraded durability and better visibility due to the compass on the first layer of the LCD, and large and clear time and other information on the lower layer. This dual-layer LCD also enhances visibility in tough and harsh conditions. All Mudman G-Shock watches are excellent for extreme land conditions, especially where mud, dirt, sand, or rubble is in plenty. This new Mudman also has 20-bar water resistance. That makes it waterproof up to 200 meters. In effect, no matter what kind of weather it is, a rainstorm or a typhoon, your G-Shock is going to be absolutely safe. At the core, it has a solid, rugged design that will enable you to sail through anything, from rescue missions to wilderness survival. The reduced bezel height is achieved by cutting the glass and employing a new glass adhesion method. Of course, it has a carbon core guard structure that protects it completely in a more compact form. As with all Mudman G-Shocks, it comes with triple sensor technology. The case measures just 14.8 millimeters and is actually quite slim for a G-Shock. Adding to the toughness of this watch is the multi-component protector and independent front button. Cylindrical stainless steel parts further protect the front button and 3 direct sensor buttons. Overall, it has large, easy-to-operate forms that have been forged to keep mud and water out, including gasket fittings and button shafts to prevent any mud or dust from coming in. The new Mudman GW-9500 also incorporates bio-based resins. The case, bezel, and soft urethane band are made with bio-based resins. This material will help reduce its environmental impact, as it is made from renewable organic resources like castor oil, plants, and corn. It of course has a built-in digital compass, which is displayed on the top layer of LCD, giving it even better visibility in low visibility environments. The bottom layer of LCD shows the time and all the other measurements that the GW-9500 can display. Even though it has a dual LCD layer, the new Mudman is 3.4 millimeters slimmer than the previous Mudman. Though slimmer, you get the same if not better level of protection. The advantage of the slimmer profile is that it will not come in the way when you are actively working or moving around, nor will it snag on to anything around you. As with all Mudman G-Shocks, it is equipped with multiple sensors to give you a lot of additional data. It features a barometer to display the atmospheric pressure, and its altimeter enables you to manually tag different locations during a hike, and also to fix on the highest and lowest altitudes as you move on different kinds of terrain. It also features a built-in thermometer to tell you the ambient temperature. An excellent feature of this new Mudman is tough solar. This G-Shock can keep going without a break for anywhere between 6 to 26 months, as its battery will get charged by solar power as you move about outdoors. As with almost all G-Shocks, you also get the regular stopwatch, countdown timers, multiple alarms, auto calendar, battery level indicator, atomic timekeeping, multiband 6 radio-controlled solar watch for accurate timekeeping, super illuminator backlight for ensuring superior watch readability in darkness and low light, sunrise and sunset time display, manual memory measurements that go up to 30 records, each including altitude, date, time, world time of 48 cities, and 1/10 second stopwatch. It comes in 3 colors, namely Rescue Orange, Military Green, and Tactical Black. And the models within this new GW-9500 set are the GW-9500-3, GW-9500-1, and GW-9500-1A4. That brings us to the end of this detailed look at the brand new exciting Casio G-Shock Mudman GW-9500. We hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to get more from Up on Top. Also, do leave your thoughts behind in the comments section below.